Two. Great one. Not looking. $2,600. 2,600 right here in my balance. 26. And I started with only $100, guys. Even while I'm talking and setting the indicators up is kind of complicated for me. Yeah, but in my Telegram VIP group you can find all of it. In the meantime, I'm playing for long and Great British Pounds and Australian dollars with the $100 going all in. You can see the price breaks through the upper Bollinger Band and probably saw an error and confirmed the outward movement. So that is the base of my action, I would say. Yeah, so where was I? Okay, great. $192 right there, right here. Okay, moving to Euro and Turkish liras. Going max again, and I'm gonna go for short, to be honest, because the price is near the middle Bollinger Band. Probably SAR is above the chart, and Aaron shows seller's dominance. So I'm willing to go for short, even though I do have the green candle right now, and he broke the midline of the Bollinger Band upwards. But I believe we're gonna be having an bounce back or a pullback. This is what I truly believe in. Great. Okay. Apparently, I believe talking to the chart, to the market, it works. Okay, let's see what do we have. What we have with the Euro and New Zealand dollars right here. I'm going for long here, max long, and I'll show you. I'll explain you why. Because price just bounced off the lower Bollinger Band. Parabolic SAR is below the chart. Aaron indicates a shift upward. There you go. Nice. We got 3 sevens in that balance. Okay, now Japanese yen and euro. I'm going all in, and I'm going for short, definitely. There you go. Boom. The price is very close to the lower Bollinger Band. Parabolic SAR is above the chart. Aaron just down, and it just dominated. Yeah. Based on Aaron's information, down just dominates, confirming a bearish trend right there. Dominators. You dominators? Barcelona dominators. I don't know, I'm being a weirdo sometimes, but that's totally fine, because I might get tired, I might get bored at the same time. I'm trying to chill myself up and this kind of things, you know. I'm not trying to be a rapper though. I'm gonna be a great one. 15 seconds right there. I just wait for it, and if nothing happens, then nothing happens. 3, 2, no, please. $1,358 right there. Australian and Canadian dollars right here that we have, and I'm gonna go for all in, and I'm gonna go for long right there. First, let me just. Here we go. Oh god, I'm sorry. Yeah, the whole situation here, that you can see the price bounced off the lower Bollinger Band. We do have a strong bullish candle formed. Parabolic SAR shifted below the chart, and Aaron's up spiked sharply. Then that will be the signal for upward correction, and that will be a signal for me to move in that direction. Oh, I got a rhyme right there. Upward correction, move in that direction. All the selection, give me more section. Two. Great one. Not looking. $2,600. 2,600 right here in my balance. 26. And I started with only $100, guys. Okay, you're in United States dollars right here, right? We gonna go for long, definitely. Let me just. Oh, thanks God. Now, the price broke through the upper Bollinger Band. Parabolic SAR below the. Parabolic SAR, which is. And yeah, so the situation here is the following. So price broke through the upper Bollinger Band. Parabolic SAR is below and it supports the move. Aaron's up, grows confidently, indicating a strong bullish impulse right there as well. And this is what we have right here. Guys, these indicators, they help me a lot. And all the credits to them. But in the end of the day, I am the man who learned how to deal with them. I am the man who sorted everything out and started earning from it. So in 5 seconds, I'm gonna be having 5K from only $100, and you can go and buy yourself anything that you want. Oh my god! Oh my god! That was so scary and risky. Damn! In a matter of a second, I could have lost everything. Okay, thank you. So yeah, go and join my Telegram VIP group, the link for which is gonna be in the comment section, the pinned one. Do not forget to leave a like and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. While my fingers this short, I don't know, so weird. Who cares? Yeah, if you are willing to, if you are willing to find out the settings for these indicators and just understand how everything works and how to deal with it and how to connect these patterns with the strategies. I don't know, there are multiple things that you have to analyze and you have to connect with each other in order to get that meaning, and based on that meaning make a decision and get the profit. Sounds complicated, but it's gonna be a lot more easier in my Telegram VIP group, so do not forget to join it. Everything is for free, by the way. Yep. So thank you for watching, thank you for staying with me. Get healthy, be wealthy. Get wealthy, be healthy. Thank you. I'm tired now.